Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My today's lecture is about using the correct verb. Okay, let me read the sport box. Use am with I, is with he, she, it, and singular nouns, and are with you, we, they, and all the plural nouns. Okay, in this exercise, what we have to do, we have to use the correct helping verb. Okay. Fill in the blanks with am, is, or are to complete the sentences. You know that is we use with singular pronouns, am we use with I, and are we use with all the plural pronouns. Okay, let's start. My dad is very tall. I am going to the market with my mother. The girls are doing their homework in the room. The old woman is sick. The horses are in the field. My brother is a strong swimmer. I am very busy right now. The teacher is absent. As you can see, I have used I with singular pronouns. Okay. For example, my dad, it's a singular, so that's why I have used I. And as I told you, am is used with I, and with plurals we use are. So the girls, I have used are here. The horses, I have used are here. Okay. So with singular, the teacher is singular, so that is why I have used I. Okay. I hope this exercise is cleared now. Let's start the next exercise. In this exercise, what we have to do, circle the correct verb in brackets in the following sentences. Okay. So what we will do, we will choose the correct verb. Okay, two options are given, so we will choose the accurate one. Number 1, John and his family is or are going to Australia on holiday. Look, in this, as I told you, with singular pronouns we use is, with plural pronouns we use are. Okay, has is used with singular pronouns and have is used with plural pronouns. Okay, was is used with singulars and were is used with plural pronouns.